I haven't done a presentation video in a long time, and I have to get some original civil defense fallout shelter crackers for display for the Military Museum of Fort Worth. And I'm deciding to open an old case, pretty ratty looking old case of shelter crackers, and I've got the box just opened at the top now, so this is opening this for the first time. The date on this box is October of '64, and I'm still tearing the cardboard loose, and it's got a couple of little things here, but data pack August 1964, 15 November 64, I guess between those two dates. And it's the standard two can case, 5-gallon can, survival crackers, like there are zillions of that were originally stocked in the public shelters. I've got my sanitation kit box over here with the official can opener, and I'm going to open one of these up. I'll go ahead and take it out. Hopefully I'm not rusted through on the bottom. If I can get it out of here easily. Probably not. So, come on. With some light surface rust on it. A few dents. I haven't opened a can of crackers in 20 years, and the ones I opened back then didn't smell very good, so I'm doing this in the garage. I'm not going to do it in the house. Get this one out of here, same condition. Box, rough. 40 pounds of shelter crackers, and we will go ahead and I don't know what this is going to take to open this whole thing. The last one I opened had the circular lid here. I guess I'm going to have to do the whole stupid top of it. Just poke that can opener through there. Okay, we're almost all the way around. A couple more inches to go. Not all the way around, but far enough around to peel the can top back. Okay, that should be good enough. Peeling this back for the first time and since '64. Oh yeah, check it out, man. Actually, these are in a lot better condition than that other case that I opened. The plastic is still in good shape, and they come out as, oh, look at that, just crumbling a little bit. Wow. Got some cardboard filler in there. Jeez. Yeah, it smells pretty bizarre. So, according to the fallout shelter manager's textbook or workbook or whatever it was, each one of these is a cracker here. They're divided into fours. And we'll open these up. 1 and 36 of these would be 1 day's ration for one shelter occupant. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 36 of them. That's 1 day. Crackers only. And another allotment for another ration, figured if you had carbohydrate supplement, but there they are. 36, that's 1 day, and they told you in the book they recommended 6 feedings per day. So you would divide these up to 6 at a time. We'll go ahead and crack one apart. Hey, there you go. So this would be 4, 6. That would be one serving for one meal, quote unquote. And you divide these up into 6 of those at a time. And water, you would have, out of the sanitation kit, you would have the 6-ounce cups, and you'd get a quart of water a day, which is just a little over 5 of these a day. 5 cups of those. And I forgot to bring my carbohydrate supplement. Let me go in there and get it. Here's an example of what they call a carbohydrate supplement, or fallout shelter candy. It didn't all look like this. Some of it was yellow and red and lemon and cherry, or whatever this is, and this is kind of pineapple and cherry tasting stuff. It would come in a 5-gallon can like this, and with all this in a 5-gallon can like this, it weighed about 35 pounds. These crackers are about 20 pounds a can, and the suggested serving would be either this 6 times a day, or if you had carbohydrate supplement on hand, that 6 times a day, or a combination of either one of those. They said this was 700 calories a day. I'm not going to take all this out of there. I'll just leave it in there. I don't know if this has been sealed all this time. I wouldn't taste it. I know sometimes you see this online being sold like on eBay for like it's still good, you know. They had a memo they issued in 1976 that said to dispose of all the cereal-based rations. The Defense Civil Preparedness Agency issued that to dispose of all these cereal-based cracker rations due to rancidity and becoming rancid. And whether or not they were, I don't know if they probably had evidence of what they were. But it just, who knows what they originally smelled like. But I know I've gotten emails from people over the years that said they found these and they put peanut butter and jelly on them and stuff, but I think I'll pass on that. But it's just stacked full of these things. Anyway, that is it for that. The fallout shelter water rations were stored in these water drums like this one here. And out of those, the ration for each person in the shelter would have been a quart a day. And they would serve these in these little cups like this, which I guess would be about 6 of these a day. These are about 6 ounces. And of course you wouldn't fill them up. So, and they even came with lids too. Those were in the sanitation kits. Can openers and a siphon spout for dispensing the water out of the water drum. That's what this is. Siphon spout. And that is it for the shelter food.